Is keeping your Bitcoin on an exchange really safe? Think about it. Exchanges get hacked, they go bankrupt, and you could lose everything. What's even scarier is that one wrong wallet choice could cost you all of your Bitcoin. Today, we're diving into the top 5 safest Bitcoin wallets to make sure your investment stays secure. Stick around because you don't want to learn this lesson the hard way. First up, at number 1, we have Ledger. This is the king of cold wallets for a reason. With a Ledger device, your private keys, the keys to your Bitcoin kingdom, are generated and stored completely offline. They never touch the internet, making them virtually impossible for hackers to steal. If you're a long-term Bitcoin holder, what we call a hodler, this is your best friend. It's like having a personal Fort Knox for your crypto. The peace of mind you get from knowing your Bitcoin is stored on a ledger is unmatched. It's the ultimate security blanket for serious investors. Next, at number 2, we have Trezor. Trezor is another heavyweight in the cold wallet space, and it has a unique advantage. It's completely open source. What does that mean? It means its code is public for anyone to inspect. The entire community, including top security experts, has verified its integrity. This transparency builds a massive amount of trust. Trezor has been a trusted name in the Bitcoin world for years, and its commitment to open-source security principles makes it a fantastic choice for those who value transparency and community-driven verification. You know exactly what you're getting, with no hidden surprises. Coming in at number 3 is Sparrow Wallet. Now, this one is for the true Bitcoin purists. Sparrow is a Bitcoin-only desktop wallet designed for power users who want maximum control. It's not trying to be a wallet for 100 different coins. Its focus is 100% on Bitcoin security and functionality. Sparrow offers advanced features like multi-signature support and detailed transaction control, allowing you to manage your Bitcoin with surgical precision. If you're serious about Bitcoin and want a wallet that respects its complexity and power, Sparrow Wallet is an incredible option. It's built by Bitcoiners for Bitcoiners. At number 4, we have a really innovative one, Zengo Wallet. Zengo's biggest selling point is that it has no seed phrase. You heard that right. The single biggest point of failure for most users is losing or exposing their 12 or 24-word seed phrase. Zengo eliminates this risk entirely by using something called MPC, or multi-party computation. Your key is split between your device and Zengo's servers, and it requires multi-layer authentication to access your funds. This includes a 3D face scan. It employs an incredibly clever and user-friendly approach to security that makes self-custody much less intimidating for beginners. It's a game-changer for usability without compromising on security. Finally, at number 5, we have Blue Wallet. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and popular mobile wallet, Blue Wallet is the way to go. It's non-custodial, meaning you and only you control your keys. It's perfect for managing smaller amounts of Bitcoin that you might use for daily transactions. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it a great starting point for anyone new to holding their own keys. While you wouldn't store your life savings on it, Blue Wallet is the ideal companion for your cold storage wallet, giving you a secure way to spend and receive Bitcoin on the go. So there you have it, the top 5 safest wallets to protect your Bitcoin. From the ultimate offline security of Ledger and Trezor to the power user features of Sparrow, the innovative approach of Zengo, and the mobile convenience of Blue Wallet, there's a secure option for everyone. Now I want to hear from you. Which wallet are you using to store your Bitcoin? Drop your wallet's name in the comments below. And hey, if you're still keeping it on an exchange, just type exchange. Let's start a conversation and help each other level up our security game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips.